Okay, now let us take AIEEE 2004 problem. It says that you have given a complex number which is z is equal to x minus iota y, and you are given the relation that the cube root of z is equal to p plus iota q. So you have to find the value of x by p plus y by q divided by p square plus q square, and by the options we can see that it would come out to be a numerical value. So okay, it's an easy question. You just have to solve it. You can say it's a bit lengthy, that's it. This is the thing that is given to you and it's cube root. So the first step would be cubing this equation. So this will become z after taking a cube, and it will be cube over here, and if I take the cube it will be p cube. This will be iota cube and q cube. Iota cube is minus iota, which will become iota this thing, and it will be 3 p I cube p plus iota cube. And if I further go on, okay, let's solve it here only. It will be p cube minus iota q cube. If I open that bracket now, it will be 3 p square iota cube, and it will be iota square. If I multiply this, so it will come be minus, and it will be 3 p q square. And if I write it in the fashion that I'll write the real terms together, this will be 3 p q square. Alright, and minus, if I take out common, minus iota q cube minus 3 p square cube. Okay, and we know that z is x minus iota y. So now equating these real terms and the imaginary term over here, what I can say is that x is equal to p cube minus 3p q square, and y is equal to q cube minus 3p square cube. Okay, so this is what I have already found out. Now I need to find out the value of x by p and y by q. So if I divide this x equation by p, what I'll get p square minus 3q square, and if I divide y by q, what I'll get q square minus 3p square. Now according to the equation, I should add these two up. Okay, add these with this, so I'll get x by p plus y by q is equal to p square minus 3q square plus q square minus 3p square. And if you solve this properly, it will come out to be minus 2 times p square plus q square. And if I now send this p square by q square on the other side, the remaining answer will be minus 2, and that is given in the option A. That means option A is correct. So if you see, this was not a tough question at all. It was a lengthy in the sense that you have to solve it properly. So I would say that mostly many of the students, good students, would have been able to do this one. Let's say 70% would be able to solve this one. The only hurdle in this one was that you have to solve it. Okay, there was no short trick, no nothing involved in this question. It was a plain question that you have to, take the cube of this term. So there was nothing in it, and after that you just have to equate the real terms and the imaginary terms. Okay.